I am leaving Little Cactus Inn in McLean, Texas. It feels like it's a little bit warmer today than it has been, but the winds, oh, holy the winds. This could be a very difficult ride. See you later, Little Cactus Inn. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Yeah, we'll just see as we get going which direction the winds are coming from. I have a feeling it's going to be from my side today. Of course, it's going to be better than a headwind. We are going to be strong. Yeah, good morning, East Texas. I am about 5 miles into my ride today, and again, Route 66 is the frontage road for I-40. I have had one car pass me so far. In fact, it almost feels like a bike path out here. All right, coming into the little town of Shamrock. So this is about 22 miles into my ride, and this was a point where I was gonna reassess, particularly for the wind. I was very worried about wind when I started this ride, and although the wind is very, very strong, it's still very cold. I think I can continue. Hi, here comes another one. Very pretty. Very nice to meet you. See you later. Oklahoma horses. How about this? We got some green. Crossing into Oklahoma. Boy, this is more green than I've seen, I think, since I left to start my tour. So this is the town of Texola. I have crossed into Oklahoma, and this is the first town on Route 66. Not a lot here. Seems most of the buildings are falling down. Yeah, look at this. Wow. All right, I made it to Erick, Oklahoma. I'm in a new state today. It's very, very exciting. The winds were very, very strong today. It was actually colder than I was hoping it would be, but I did not have a headwind. I was very worried about it. There's a lot of wind in the forecast for today, tomorrow, and the next day. The winds were out of the south and maybe a little bit behind my right shoulder. My average speed was more than 12 miles an hour. I did 44 miles and 1,000 feet of climbing. Let me kind of show you around. I was on Route 66 today and there was nobody on it. I mean, maybe two, three cars passed me throughout the entire ride. I almost feel like I'm on a bike path. Like I have the whole road to myself. So I'm in a Days Inn and I've stayed at a number of Days Inn. I really like them because the door is wide enough for the trike to get in easily and there's always extra room. So I've got my trike here, my trailer here, and the owner was worried that I was going to leave before having breakfast, so he gave me a little baggie of breakfast stuff. So there's a fruit cup, there's a granola bar, a honey bun, and this little thing of orange juice has 33 grams of sugar. I don't eat sugar, so I am not going to eat any of this stuff. I'll just leave it. Maybe the cleaning service will like it, and but I'll definitely be drinking the water. So I got here a little bit early. It's always nice to get into the hotel and be able to take care of a lot of stuff more leisurely. So all right, you guys, welcome to Erick, Oklahoma.